Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 7 to the power of x is equal to 70. Now we can first start by converting 70 to 7 times 10. So now we have 7 to the power of x is equal to 7 times 10. Now I'm going to divide by 7 on both sides. So now we have 7 to the power of x over 7 is equal to, these two cancel out, so simply just 10. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m over a to the power of n, this is simply equal to a to the power of m minus n. So 7 to the power of x over 7, this would be 7 to the power of x minus 1. And now this is equal to 10. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the log of both sides. So now we have log 7 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to log 10. Now, the power property of logarithm states that I can actually move this exponent here to the front of the log. So now this would be x minus 1 log 7 is equal to log 10. Now I'm going to divide both sides by log 7. So now these two cancel out, and I get x minus 1 is equal to log 10 over log 7. Now, if I add 1 on both sides, I get x is equal to 1 plus log 10 over log 7. So this is our answer. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of x to the power of 4 equals 64. So now what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the power of 4 on both sides. So now we have x to the power of x to the power of 4 to the power of 4 is equal to 64 to the power of 4. So now if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n, right? And a to the power of m times n is also equal to a to the power of n times m. Meaning I could rewrite this as a to the power of n to the power of m. So right here, as you see, we have x to the power of x plus 4 to the power of 4. Think of x to the power of 4 as m and 4 as n. I could actually switch the places of these two, meaning I could rewrite this as x to the power of 4 to the power of x to the power of 4. And this is equal to, now I'm going to rewrite 64 as 8 squared. So now we have 8 squared to the power of 4. Now remember, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. Meaning 8 to the power of 2 to the power of 4, this is equal to 8 to the power of 2 times 4, which is 8 to the power of 8. So if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, and then this also means that a is equal to b. And as you can see right here, we have x to the power of 4 to the power of x to the power of 4 equals 8 to the power of 8. This means that x to the power of 4 is equal to 8. So now to cancel this power out, I'm actually going to take the root of 4 on both sides. So now these two cancel out, and I'm left with x is equal to positive or negative square root of, sorry, not square root, root 4 of 8. And this can also be written as 8 to the power of 1/4. And this can also be written as 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 1/4. And remember, we multiply m with n, so this is equal to 2 to the power of 3/4. So this is our answer.